So let's make pizza today, Italian pizza, mushroom pizza. So I'm going to make it delicious and very easy for you guys. So let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take yeast. So we're going to take lukewarm water. You can see it has just loop, and just take it in a bowl. Spilled. Okay, so ignore it. So let's take yeast in it and mix it. So it's just 1 cup of yeast, and leave it for say 5 minutes. So let's set this and let the bubbles come out. Second step, what we'll do is we'll take a flour. You can use any flour. So we're going to use regular flour and little bit of half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. It depends on the taste. See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use rosemary little bit and little bit of thyme, so that the flavor enhances. So it's optional again, so it's up to you, you're going to use it or not. It's all up to you. I'm going to use little bit of thyme, crush it a little bit, and rosemary. This is again optional. I'll be using this because it's gonna give a really nice flavor. And mix it well. Add a little bit of water in this, and the yeast. So mix it well. So now you can see it's become really soft like this. So we're gonna set this say for half an hour. You can keep it for 15 minutes too. So we're gonna leave this exactly like this and keep it warm, so that there shouldn't be air anywhere. Yeah, perfect. 15 minutes minimum, half an hour makes it really soft. So we're gonna set this, and then we'll start our dough and the base, and pizza will be ready after that. So ready. You can see it's become fluffy. It has bubbles inside. So now we're gonna take this off and make a dough. You can see it. So you can see it's stretching like this, soft and neat. So let's go and make a dough. Put some flour inside, on top, and little bit of flour on top. And let's get started. So we're gonna take half of it and use a dough for half, and so make it very soft like this, neat and clean, and just try to do it. Done. Take a tray, place it in. So set it up properly. So ignore the dirt around. You're gonna take some tomato sauce, a pizza tomato sauce. Apply it all over. So it depends on the taste, how much you want. You can just apply as much you want. A little more. And then here comes our mayonnaise. This is homemade mayonnaise. You can, again, it's optional. I like mayonnaise, so I like to put some on my pizza. So next comes veggies. So you can cut it into small pieces or big pieces as you want. Here comes mushrooms, lot of mushrooms. Perfect. And then come little bit of herb. You can use oregano, a little bit of rosemary, a little bit of thyme, and a little bit of chili flakes. And then comes a cheese. You can use cheddar cheese, you can use mozzarella. And a little bit of onions. Again, it depends how much you want. And then ready to bake. Let's go. So I'm going to keep this for 275 and for say 45 minutes, and then top. Let's go in, keep it on top for a while, and then we're going to shift it down. So you can see it's ready. Let's take this out. Looks yum. Let's try this and I'll give you a feedback. So let's cut this into half. Crispy. So our pizza is ready. Let's do Bismillah. Cheers. Bismillah. Try it at home and give me feedback. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers. Bye.